Hello everyone, my name is Tai and I'm a student at Humboldt College. So today I will tell you 3 steps to make a success in the live presentations. Also based on 3 questions that we are looking at it. And let's start it with me. Firstly, we should prepare a good spirit, the best health and the highest confidence for our presentations. Besides that, we also have to prepare the information together with the statistics related to our presentations. Secondly, we should stand up straight, make eye contact with the people, and focus our partners. What and when is our turn? Especially, we are maintaining the voice and volume. That's good enough for everyone to hear and understand it clearly. At the end, if it were me, I would to improve I would like to improve my pronunciation and I can control my times. Thank you for listening.